Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you for this Diamond Art Club Mini Dazzles Classic Flowers set of 6. Now I have already opened this box. One of the first things I do when I get a new kit is I take out the trading card and the little kit with the tray and the placers. So that's not going to be in here. I'm not going to cover that. But let's go ahead and look at the little mini kits. All right, so we have our diamonds. We have our sticker sheet with all the colors on it, if I can get that to focus. And here are the little mini canvases. Let's go ahead and see what we have here today. It looks like we have lavender, lotus, tulip, sunflower, I like that one, red rose, and an orchid. Very nice. Each canvas is covered by a sheet of plastic, nice and sticky underneath. So that should be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and open up at least one or maybe two of these, kind of get an idea of what the colors are that we're working with here. So looking at the sticker sheet, it looks like we're going to have one AB and the rest are going to be fairy dust. So let's go ahead and open the tulip. If I can find out which end to open this from. All right. Looks like we have, if I can get the light, Z400, Z3326, Z3853, Z743, Z780, sorry, Z895, Z972. There's our AB 135, Z987, Z498, Z704, Z3801, and Z666. Now I will note, I think this is an older kit I bought. I think with the ABs now, they don't say 135 or anything under 150 anymore. I think they actually have AB in front of them now. I could be mistaken, but I believe that is the case. So it looks like as far as this goes, the only color we didn't see was one of the purples. And I think another sign that this is an older kit is I do believe with the mini Dazzles now, they don't have the kits separated by which canvas you're working on. They used to have them, I actually enjoyed this, having them separated out based on the canvas. So if you were traveling, you just had to take one package with you and you had everything you needed to do your kit. I think some people didn't enjoy that because when they kit up, they like to kit up everything together. And so I think DAC has changed it to where everything is in one package for each color now. So let's go ahead and open up the lotus. I think this one has the purples in it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there's Z3823. Oops, can't really see that one. C704. 38.37, 38.95, C987, C6012, C3747, and Z210. I don't think we need to go through and open all of these. If you would like to see all of the colors, let me know below and I can repost a video going through each of the colors. But I think that between the two of those, I think we've covered them all. There are only, let's see, 17 colors in this kit between all the different canvases. So I think that that should cover everything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.